Very good morning all of you and welcome back to my YouTube channel Eco English. And in this video today we are going to learn 10 very easy English idiom with simple meaning and example. What is an idiom? Idiom is a fixed phrase with different meaning. Friends, idioms are short sentence but their meaning are different and interesting. And if you learn these idioms, your English speaking and understanding will become more natural. So watch this video till the end and let's start learning English in a fun way. Friends, our today's first idiom is a piece of cake. It means very easy. In Hindi, बहुत ही आसान. When we say a piece of cake, it does not mean a real cake. It means the work is very easy. Let's see some example. This sum is a piece of cake. It means this sum is very easy. Drawing is a piece of cake for her. It means drawing is easy for her. And the taste was piece of cake. It means the taste was not difficult. It was easy. And now you make one sentence. Our next idiom is break the ice. It means to start talking comfortably or to start conversation. In Hindi, बातचीत की शुरुआत करना. When people feel shy or quiet and someone start talking, we say break the ice. Let's understand through some example. I smiled to break the ice. It means the smile started friendly talk. The teacher told a joke to break the ice. It means the teacher helps student to feel comfortable. Games help children break the ice. It means games help children talk freely. Now you make one sentence. Our next idiom is once in a blue moon. It means very rarely. बहुत कम या कभी कभार. When something happens after a long time, we say once in a blue moon. So let's understand through some example. I read newspaper once in a blue moon. It means I don't read daily. I read rarely. He comes here once in a blue moon. It means he comes here very rarely. And she visits her village once in a blue moon. It means she visits her village rarely. Now you make one sentence. Hit the sack. It means go to sleep. In Hindi, सोने जाना. When we are tired and go to bed, we say hit the sack. Let's understand through some example. I will hit the sack early. It means I will sleep early. He hit the sack after dinner. It means he slept after dinner. She was tired and hit the sack. It means she was tired and slept. Now you make one sentence. Our next idiom is under the weather. It means feeling sick. बीमार महसूस करना. When we feel ill or weak, we say under the weather. Let's see some example. I am under the weather today. It means I am not feeling well today. She feels under the weather today. It means she is sick. She is not feeling well. He stayed home because he was under the weather. It means he stayed home due to his illness. Now you make one sentence. Friends, if you are enjoying this video, then please like it and tell me in the comment which idiom you like the most. And now let's continue with the next idiom. Our next idiom is all ears. It means listening carefully. In Hindi, ध्यान से सुनना. When we listen with full attention, we say all ears. Now let's see some example. I am all ears teacher. It means you are saying your teacher that you are listening carefully. She was all ears in class. It means she listened attentively. Tell me the story. I am all ears. It means I am ready to listen. Now you make one sentence. Our next idiom is full of beans. It means very active and energetic. In Hindi, बहुत जोशीला. When someone has a lot of energy, we say full of beans. Let's understand through some example. The kids are full of beans. It means kids have lots of energy. He is full of beans today. It means he is active today. She came full of beans. It means she came happily and actively. Now you make one sentence. Our next idiom is on cloud nine. It means very happy. In Hindi, बहुत खुश होना. When someone feels very happy, we say on cloud nine. Let's understand through some example. He was on cloud nine after winning. It means winning made him very happy. She is on cloud nine today. It means she is very happy today. I felt on cloud nine. It means I felt extremely happy. Now you make one sentence. Our next idiom is keep an eye on. It means watch carefully. ध्यान रखना. When we watch something carefully, we say keep an eye on. Let's understand through some example. Keeps an eye on the bag. It means watch the bag carefully. She keeps an eye on the children. It means she takes care of the children. Please keep an eye on my book. It means please look after my book. Now you make one sentence. Our next and last idiom is in hot water. It means in trouble. In Hindi, परेशानी में. When someone is in trouble because of mistake, we say in hot water. Let's understand through some example. He is in hot water now. It means he is in trouble. She got in hot water at school. It means she faced trouble at school. I was in hot water for being late. It means I was in trouble because I was late. Now you make one sentence. So friends, today we learned 10 easy English idioms with meaning and examples. And remember, don't try to learn English in one day. Learn little by little every day. Practice daily and one day your English will improve. And I hope you like today's video. If you like it and if you learn something new from this video, then please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. So keep learning, keep smiling and keep learning English. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.